So Tian teases Zayn and says that Bongi is an amazing girl. Nie Bongi nie man, Liesel Kritzinger. Weet het nog nie, maar die jagseisoen is oop en Cupid pyl met my naam op reg vir haar. So Zayn is like, not Bongi, Liesel, and Cupid has an arrow with my name on it that's going right through her heart. Flip it. Waar kom jy aan al die nonsens? Where do you come up with all this nonsense, says Tian. Hy grinnik asof dit 'n kompliment is. Zayn is proud of what Tian just said. Ek het nog nooit iemand gesien wat so vinnig verlief kan raak soos Zayn nie. Tian has never seen someone who falls in love so quickly as Zayn does. Dis asof hy iewers 'n knoppie het wat hy aanskakel en dan is hy dadelik hals oor kop verlief op 'n meisie en hy basyn dit uit vir die hele wêreld om te weet. So Tian has never met someone who falls in love as quickly as Zayn does. It's as if he has a switch that makes him fall head over heels for any girl. And then when he's in love, it's as if the whole world needs to know. So Tian writes a note to himself. Zayn se hart is soos 'n amplifier. Zayn's heart is like an amplifier because obviously when he's in love, he speaks about it.